Hi, this is Mozuddin Mohammed, CEO and co-founder at Corecellent Technology and your mentor at Corecellent Academy. I'm really excited to share my experience on digital marketing and IT solution with you guys. Let me share you a short story of our experience and past results with our client. When my brother and I started our entrepreneur journey past in 2012, that is 10 years before, we had no clue that this industry is going to boom. Digital marketing is currently a $64 billion industry. When we started our services of website design and development to our clients were very happy to see our work. And they were very satisfied with our work. We were very professional in design and development and all the features of website, and we present in front of them. But after a few days, after a few months, we saw that our client is getting difficulty in getting their traffic to their website, generating quality leads and sales. Then we started learning different businesses in depth, try to implement different strategies and different work to them. We had no clue how to generate leads, how to make a business a brand, how to get known in front of people, how to reach in front of people and generating quality leads and sales. Then we started learning day and night, implementing multiple strategies, investing on paid ads to our clients. Then all of a sudden our clients are getting results. Their websites are getting huge traffic, quality leads and sales. Their revenue increases and they get a huge results. They start referring to multiple businesses and multiple people that we are getting strategies, we are getting results. So keep these people and they will grow your business. Then we started to implement the same strategies to different kind of people and different kind of businesses, like real estate agents and companies, institutions to get their admissions, hospitals to get more patients and good doctors, hoteliers to get more customers, and food industry to get more customers to their doorstep, to their hotel and home deliveries. This is how they get huge results, huge quality leads and sales, and their businesses start growing. After implementing these strategies multiple times to hundreds and 350 plus our clients, we are sharing these strategies in front of you in a form of course, workshop and live sessions. I really enjoyed my work. Before proceeding, I can say if I can do, you can also do it. The demand of digital marketing and IT solution is go on increasing day by day, and the demand for quality digital marketer are huge. So if you learn how to do the SEO services, how to do digital marketing, how to make creatives, videos, banners, etc., how to make a logo and make them brand, how to make a business a brand identity and reach in front of people through brand awareness, reach new client and services and generate their quality leads so that they get sales. Digital marketing is very easy to learn if you follow these same strategies as we going to discuss in further classes. There are huge tools to work on it. There are softwares available, just you need to learn from us. There are tracking software, you can track each and everything. So we really enjoyed our work to teach people and businesses to grow their business and students to grow in their career. And let's dive into it and learn more about this digital marketing services.